Here's a 2016 Cadillac CTS sedan. There's good and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, V6 engine, sport suspension, wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com observed, handling was hard to fault with quick, precise steering and a flat, composed attitude through quick transitions. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.